Tyler.
Yes, Tyler Cicesta with the first basket.
Yun, may cheer. Ayos, ayos. Good. Ayos, may cheer tayo.
Good. Here comes Duke. Passes the ball. Inside to Michael. Ingagaw ni Tyler. Ito na ang white team. Let's go white. Tablay. Ethan. He gets the ball. 2 points for Ethan Beltran.
2-3.
Duke bringing the ball down, making his move, kicks it out to Michael, attacks inside, good pass, 2 points for Blue. Okay, ito naman tayo sa white team. Binabantayan, binigyan ng screen ni Rocco. Pass to Ethan, 2 points for Ethan.
Ano score?
6-2 ang ating score. Here comes Duke, what a cross! Michael to Duke. Uy, what a move! 2 points for Duke. Here comes the white team. Bringing the ball down. Iniskrinan ni Ethan. Kicks out to Gomez. Missed. Rebound ng blue team. Traveling. 9-4 ang ating score in favor of white.
Walang steal.
Michael. Duke. Making his move. Uy, double cross.
Abel.
Maha.
Mike. Ethan with the rebound. Rojo. To Gomez. Gomez. 2 points for Gomez. Now, si Duke. Duke. Passes the ball. Tumira ng 3. Gomez with the rebound. Tyler. Ethan. Put back 2 points.
Pensa.
White ball. Turnover. Line ball tayo. Tumapak sa line. Rocco. Tumira sa 3 na naman. Rebound by Michael. Nakuha ni Duke. 2 points for Duke. Here comes the white team. Pass to Gomez. 2 points for Gomez. 6 minutes, 32 seconds. 16-6. Duke with the ball. Making his move. Passes the ball. 2 points for Blue. You know. 6 minutes, 10 seconds. Oh, he wants to go all the way. He gets his own rebound. Agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Maha. Ito na si Michael. Naagaw ni Rocco. 2, wala. Sayang. Rebound. Traveling. Ito na. Alden in the ball game. Alden pass to ER. ER takes the shot. Rebound on Blue. Here comes Duke. Duke with the ball. Goes all the way. 2 points for Duke. Ito naman ang white team. Alden ang nagpo-point guard for the white team. Passes the ball. Here comes the big man for white team. Takes it all the way. Wala. Rebound. Duke with the ball. Guarded by Zach. Oy, turnover. Francis to ER. ER bringing the ball down. Goes over for ER. Fake. Takes it. Out of bounds. Okay lang yan. Defense tayo, White. 4 minutes, 44 seconds. Duke. He wants to go all the way. 2 points for Duke.
White team, defense ha, white team.
Here comes Alden, calling for a screen. Screen from the big man. What a screen! 2 points for Alden.
Oy, cheer, cheer, white team, cheer.
Duke. To Maha. Maha. To Michael. Rebound ni Alden. To ER. Traveling. In favor of White. Here comes Duke. Duke, the pass to Michael. Rebound ng blue team. Galing. 4 na lang ang lamang ng White. Here's Alden. Floater. Traveling. ER calling a play. Good defense by Michael. Uy, bad pass. Turnover. Duke, guarded by Zach. Foul on a big guy. 2 free throws for Duke. First free throw. Short. Duke with the second free throw. Basket. Here comes Alden. Pass to Zach. Zach attacks. Kick out to Alden. To ER. Short. Rebound by Blue. Here comes Duke. Duke takes it inside. Good defense by Zach. Traveling. ER. Passes to Alden. To Zach. Traveling. Nauna. Sayang. Nauna yung step. Duke. Pass break pass to Michael. Is it out? Takes it. Rebound. 2 points for Blue. 2 minutes, 16 seconds. Good defense by Michael. ER. Jump ball. Blue ball. Ito na si Duke. Duke. For 3. Bang! 3 points. 18-20. Here's Alden. Zach attacks. Sayang. Rebound by the big man. ER.
Short. Sayang. 1 minute 35 seconds. Ito naman si Duke. Duke, naghahanap ng papasahan. Up. 3 seconds. Okay, si Alden naman ngayon ang magpo-point guard. Calling for a screen. Screen by ER. Dito mama. Zach. To Alden. Foul. Foul po na. White ball. 1 minute 2 seconds. Francis! Sayang! Rebound by Duke. Duke floater! Rebound! Oh, there's a foul. Foul on Francis. 2 free throws. First shot. No good. Second throw. Sayang. Rebound by the big man. Here comes Zach. Zach. Floater. Sayang. Tumaha. Maha. Wala. Rebound ER. ER all the way. 18 seconds. Out of bounds. Same ball. For 3. Bang! 3. Grabe yung shooting na. 5 seconds. Alden. For 2. Rebound by Gomez.
Baitan pa.
Ethan.
Pensa.
Uy, supply pa rin. Ito na. Rebound, Ethan again. 2 points for Ethan.
Two, three. Taas kamay. Taas kamay.
Out of bounds. Ito na, si Tyler. Tyler, 2, wala. Gets his own rebound. Nakuha na ng blue team. Nakagaw ni Gomez. Turoko. Sablay. 2 points, White. Here comes the blue team. Nakagaw ni Rocco to Gomez. 2 points, short. Rebound, Ethan. Sibag ni Ethan sa rebound. 2 points for Ethan. 7 minutes, 53 seconds.
Harap.
Steal to Ethan. Up. White ball.
Asa.
Ethan all the way for 2 and there's a foul. 2 free throws for Ethan. First throw. No good. Second throw for Ethan. Wala. Oy, rebound. Sipag talaga sa rebound ni Ethan. And the basket is good. Bonus free throw for Ethan. Wala. Rebound. Agawan. White ball. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Tyler. White. Montik Magaw. Same ball.
Tyler. Pasa kay Rocco. Libreng-libre. Short. Rebound. Agawan. Up. White ball. Here comes Gomez. For 2. Ito na ang blue team. Gomez. 2 points for Gomez. Six minutes, 28 seconds. Here comes blue team. Agawan sa bola. Floater. Two points, blue. 5 minutes, 58 seconds. Ito na yung white team. Rocco to Tyler. Tyler, hinaharas. Rocco. Rocco, pinasa ang bola. As usual. To Ethan. To Gomez. Good ball. Shot clock yun. Floater, Rocco, 2 points. 5 minutes, 28 seconds.
Ini bola, White.
Ito si Zach. Zach dribbling the ball to ER. To Zach. To Francis. Hit the attacks. Sayang. Allen. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. No basket. Not counted. Shot clock violation.
Baba.
Defense tayo, White. Ito na ang blue team. Duke. Duke. Making his move. Third to shoot. Up, and there's a foul. Foul on ER. Five seconds to shoot. Rebound by the big guy, Zach. Zach dribbling the ball. Boy, nice move by Zach. Let's go, Zach. All the way for Zach, and there's a foul. Aggressive move by Zach. 2 free throws. First throw is good. Second throw. Basket.
Di pa. Taas kamay.
2 points for Duke.
The big man taking it inside. Sayang. Here comes blue team. Michael. Turnover.
Two points.
Basket counts.
Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw is good.
Sarap.
2 points for Duke. Out of bounds. 2 points for Duke. Out of bounds. White ball.
Traveling.
Traveling. Ito na si Zach.